আপনারা দেখছেন বাঁকুড়া টিভি ব্রেকিং নিউজ। Congratulations all the spectators and audience of Bankura TV. Today, the chief editor of the Bankura TV, the tiger journalist Sada Uttom De, dispelling a violent clash broke out in broad daylight at Dakshineshwar Metro Station on Friday afternoon, leaving a student dead. According to eyewitness, the incident occurred around 2:30 p.m. when two groups of students arrived by metro. Before leaving the station, an argument broke out between them. The heated exchange quickly escalated into a scuffle, during which one student allegedly pulled out a knife and attacked his friend. Blood splattered across the floor as panic spread among the commuters. The injured student was rushed to Boranagar State General Hospital, but despite efforts, he succumbed to his injuries while undergoing treatment. Police soon reached the spot and corridored off the station area. Officers are scanning the CCTV footage to identify those violated and involved in the attack. Metro officials confirmed that wood stains were found the non-ticketing zone of the station. Please keep vigil on the news on the screen of Bankura TV.